Hey guys, Chrisspy here. In today's video, we are going to be going through the MAC Cosmetics holiday collection. I actually showed you guys this a little bit on my stories, went through and swatched some stuff, but I am doing a giveaway. I'm giving away this absolutely amazing lipstick kit from MAC, and I've just figured it would be a good opportunity to let you guys know about the giveaway, and then we might as well go through the holiday collection, see what we like, see what we don't like. So there are 10 lipsticks here, 4 lip glosses, and then 6 of these retro matte lip colors. This is the Taste of Stardom Lipstick Vault. And I just think this kit is perfect for anybody, any skin tone, and you know, whatever you don't wear, you could share the wealth, you know, gift to someone. All you have to do to enter is go on my Instagram, comment on my latest post, and just tag someone that you're thankful for. And then I will DM the winners, and MAC is actually gonna send this out, a whole kit for you and for the person that you're thankful for. So I feel like this is a nice gift for you guys, a nice way to kick off the holidays, and you know, nothing too crazy, not making you jump through all these hoops. All you have to do is tag the person that you're thankful for on my Instagram. Okay, so let's go into the holiday collection. So this is the PR box. It's a store starring you. Right here. MAC's Holiday is starring you. Celebrate the season with our festive jewel tone color collection that is all about opulent hues and high beam metallics. Do you guys care if I read this too? All right, let's start with the 2 powders. Here is the packaging for them. I really like the stars on the outside of the packaging. So this is the opalescent powder, and it's like a multicolored glitter that fades into black, which is really cool. I always think MAC does really cool packaging when they come out with their collections. Like sometimes it almost feels like it's like a collector's item to hold on to. Here is the powder. Oh, this is really pretty. Sorry, I have some leftover eyeliner swatches. But wow, this swatch is really pretty onto the hand. It just catches the light really nicely, and it's more of like a subtle highlight, I'd say. And then this is Rising Star, also in the opulent powder. And this looks like more of a copper tone. Oh yeah, this one definitely will be good for the body, for me. Okay, I wanna go ahead and apply Shooting Star to the top of my cheekbones, and I'm taking this fan brush from the Sigma Roxette Arisa collab. This is the F42 fan brush. I haven't worn a MAC highlighter in so long, but this looks really pretty. I feel like it's not picking up too much texture on my skin, which certain highlighters tend to do. I feel like this is actually giving me shine, but in like the perfect way. And then while we're at it, let's go ahead and apply Rising Star. And we'll apply it to the forehead and to the nose just because it's a little warmer. I would say these powders definitely give you a nice glow. So what we've been talking about in my last couple videos or reviews is including, like, obviously saying whether I like the product, but then saying would I actually buy it, because that's a big difference. I can like something and appreciate it, but would I actually buy it is a totally different way to measure a product, I guess, because then you're kind of measuring it also against what you have already, what's already out there, and like, is it really special enough to buy? Honestly, I would buy the Shooting Star powder because this is giving me glow. I feel like normally I can't wear highlighter up here. We've talked about this a lot. So I would buy the Shooting Star highlighter. The other one I wouldn't buy just because it's not right for my skin tone. Okay, so this is very interesting now. I've never seen MAC do this. These are like some lip adornments. This is called Silver Sparks Star Studs Adornment Face and Body Sticker. Oh, and then it just like comes out like this. Let's give it a shot. Remove prior to eating. I mean, I'm into like jewels lately. I know you guys probably noticed how I like had that thing glued on my lip in my last video. Let's just see. Okay, now be careful now. Okay, now we got them touching. So, what do we think? These are cool, but honestly, they're not for me. I don't see myself wearing them. Honestly, not for me. I don't think I would buy this. It feels a little uncomfortable on the lip. Probably a matte lipstick would be much better. They're kind of sliding around on the gloss. I like the idea, but I think what would be really cool from MAC is if they did some stickers. Oh, look, it's like already sliding off. I'm gonna take these off. I think it would be really cool if MAC came out with some jewels for the eyes, and that they were like that, like they were already sticky on the other side because I apply them with eyelash glue and it's kind of tricky. And also it's hard to find like the right looking jewels for the eyes. So I think that would be really cool for them. But as far as those guys go, not for me. Oh, so we have some lashes in the holiday collection as well. I don't see a name on these. I do appreciate that these are like cat eye flare, but I can just tell literally from the shape that they're already super flat. You see what I'm saying? Like they go straight down. I would not be interested in these. These look like difficult to apply and I don't like when they're straight down. I like my lashes to be nice and curled. So there are 5 lip glosses in the collection and these are different from what's in the lipstick vault. So I really like MAC lip glosses. All of these look really, really pretty with a lot of sheer glitters in there. Let's just try the new one on the lips. So this is called Young Star. I like lip gloss because it's sheer and it gives you shine on top of a lipstick, but it's not super sticky or uncomfortable to wear. Okay. Okay. So this definitely adds like a frost to your lips, which I don't mind frosty lips. You could totally just do a liner and then a lip gloss as well and then blend it in. Let's swatch these onto the hands. So from top to bottom, we have Young Star, Starring You, Counting Stars, Star Memoir, and Star Fucker. I can't make this up. I was like, wait, am I reading this right? That is correct. Star Fucker. So there are 4 different lipsticks in the collection as well. Kiss of the Stars. Wow, this is so, so pretty. We have Asterisk, Starstruck, Destined for Stardom, and Gold Star. So these are so, so pretty. I almost like don't want to swatch it because just the glitter in these looks so nice, but we got to do. Ew, okay. So these are kind of like a frosty moment as well. I do want to try Gold Star on my lips and see how I like it. I feel like I've gone through so many emotions right now. It's just like, ew, no, I hate it. And I was like, wait, is it kind of a moment? I don't know. I'm kind of undecided on this. If I like blend in my lip liner, and also I feel like it would go a lot better with a matte eye. This is just a lot with like my blue hair, this like super sparkly eye, and this frosty lip. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it work with this eye or just not at all? Let me know. Since I've had my blue hair, it's kind of like I'm trying to figure out like what tones go best with this hair, because like when I do my regular stuff, I feel kind of washed out and stuff looks so different against the blue hair than when I'm just doing it with my blonde. Okay, so last but not least are these Spellbinder shadows. These have magnetically charged pigments, so even after you use it, it goes back into this shape inside of the pot. We have Swing on a Star, Stars Align, Stairs to the Stars, and Wishful Thinking. So these are so, so pretty. These are my favorite part of the collection. I'm wearing Wishful Thinking on my lid, but I will say I had a lot of trouble applying it. Next time I apply it, I'm definitely just gonna use my finger or a super, super flat brush. And I wouldn't do my face first because you just have to expect with like a powder like this that you're gonna have a lot of fallout. And so I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was rushing. I should have taken my time, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, I'm in love with all of these, especially this Stare to the Stars. You guys are gonna see me use this again because I really want to do like a super blingy like red eye look with this. This Stars Align I love. I just feel like you could wear this with like a holiday look, New Year's, whatever, and it's gonna just give you that like extra little pop. And then I kind of wish I used this one. I wish I had used any of these, but Swing on a Star, this is so gorgeous and it picks up lots of different colors and tones. You guys are definitely gonna see me using all of these. All right, you guys, that was the whole video. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck on entering the giveaway. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.